This year at Belesar Elementary School, we are learning about women throughout history who have made it their life mission to recognize and fight for equal gender rights. Some of those notable women include Concepción Arenal, Rosalía de Castro, Frida Kahlo, and Maruja Mayo, to name a few. In fact, they have been with us past the school year, and now we would like to ask them what they know about the English Festival. A festival which we celebrate with our friends from CEP Sabarís. Here is Agatha Christie now. Excuse me, Agatha Christie, can you tell me what you know about the English Festival at our school?
Hello. Well, yes, I know since this year is the 7th edition. And last year has been one current committee science.
Oh, Concepción Arenal, can you tell me what you know about the English Festival?
According to the law that protects us, I cannot speak.
Sorry, Maruja Mayo, can you tell me what you know about the English Festival at our school?
This festival is colorful.
Sorry, Rosalía de Castro, can you tell me what you know about the English Festival?
Goodbye rivers, goodbye kids.
With all of them, we leave you with the 7th Annual English Festival.